The first thing we're going to want to do is we need to locate a place that we can actually sell our phone. How we can do this is we can actually type in Echo ATM locations, and when you type this in and scroll down about 2 places, you can actually see there's a website called Echo ATM where you can actually sell your phones, tablets, and any other smart devices. When you click on this, you can actually see we can enter in a city or zip code where we can actually locate one of these phone selling ATMs. And as you can see, not all of them accept tablets. However, they do all accept phones. And once you've actually located this ATM, you can basically go to the kiosk location, which you can see is listed on this website right here, and simply walk up to it and tap the screen where you insert your license and proceed through the steps on the screen so that you're actually able to sell your phone to this phone ATM. Now, if for some reason you do get to the final step and you are not liking for the asking price, you can always click cancel. But this is by far the easiest and most efficient way to sell your phone for quick money and cash. Now, Echo ATM will pay you up to $300, assuming your phone is in pristine condition, power's on, and the screen is not cracked or lighted up, but it really depends on what model phone you have and the condition that it is in. The reason this machine is just so good is because it is so convenient and you don't have to go on Facebook Marketplace or deal with any extra hassle to actually get the money and physically trading your phone with someone that you wish to sell it with. But the cons, on the other hand, is it can lowball you in its price, meaning it might give you a lot less than you would be expecting to receive for the condition of your phone, but it is super convenient overall, which is why it's so good.